The latest generation Nissan Qashqai has touched down on Australian shores. 4 variants of the Qashqai will be offered in the local market, consisting of the ST, ST Plus, STL, and TI. The ST priced from $33,890. This variant comes standard with the likes of a rear camera, rear parking sensors, forward collision warning with forward emergency braking, lane departure warning with intelligent lane intervention, intelligent blind spot intervention, traffic sign recognition, rear cross traffic alert with AEB, intelligent cruise control, and high beam assist. An 8-inch infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto is standard, as is a 6-speaker audio system. The ST Plus available from $37,890. This model includes fog lights, 18-inch alloy wheels, a 12.3-inch infotainment display with wireless Apple CarPlay and wired Android Auto, satellite navigation, and an around view monitor. The STL available from $42,190. It comes standard with Nissan's Pro Pilot semi-autonomous driving and safety aids, adaptive LED headlights, privacy glass, LED turn signals, 19-inch alloys, dual-zone climate control, and an 8-way powered driver's seat. The $47,390 Qashqai Ti is equipped with a 10.8-inch head-up display, a premium quilted leather accented interior with massage function on the front seats, hands-free power tailgate, and a 10-speaker premium Bose audio system. Powering all 4 versions is the same 1.3-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine that now delivers 110 kilowatts and 250 Nm of torque.